Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. In this video, you will learn about the planet Earth. In the olden days, people believed that the Earth was flat and if they traveled or sailed too far, they would fall off the edge of the Earth. In the early 1500s, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, set out to sail around the world. After sailing westward for 3 years, the ship and its crew found itself back at the starting point. This proved that Earth was round. The Earth is not perfectly round or spherical. In simple words, we can say its shape is like that of a sponge ball. The northernmost point of the earth is called the North Pole and the southernmost point is called the South Pole. The earth is often called a unique planet. It is the only planet in the solar system that has conditions necessary to support life, that is, air, water, and the right temperature. All living things need air to breathe. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere, which surrounds the earth like a thick blanket. This atmosphere is made up of gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, which are necessary for life. The Earth is the only planet that has water. Like air, water is also essential for all living things to live. 3 parts of the Earth is covered by water and the remaining 1 part is covered with land. The right temperature is required for living things to survive on the earth. The temperature of the earth is neither too hot nor too cold because of its distance from the sun. During the day, clouds block part of the sun's rays, and at night, the clouds do not let the earth's heat to escape. The earth looks like a giant blue ball with some green patches. It is called the blue planet because of the abundance of water on its surface. The earth is made up of land and water, that is, continents and oceans. The earth is divided into huge land masses that are called continents. There are 7 continents on the earth, and Asia is the largest continent, followed by Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Each continent has many countries. An ocean is a large water body covering a huge part of Earth's surface. Oceans are the largest water bodies found on the surface of the earth. There are 5 oceans. They are Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Dear students, in this video you have learned that Earth is round or sphere in shape. It is a unique planet because it has air, water and right temperature to live on it. The 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered with water. That's why it is called the blue planet. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Thank you and have a nice day.